Tommy found a workshop high, floating softly in the sky. Balloons were bright and colors grew. Panda friends said, "Welcome you." Tommy built a panda friend with magic parts that twist and bend. Balloons and gears began to glow. A happy panda came to show. Tommy pushed the magic light. Pandas flew into the sky so bright. Rainbow sparkles filled the air. Happy balloons danced everywhere. Balloons floated through the blue. Pandas marched with friends so new. Toy cars rolled and sparkles flew. A rainbow parade came into view. A rainbow parade came into view. Tiny pandas worked with cheer, building toys both far and near. With little tools and smiles so wide, they created fun side by side. Tommy rode the balloon ride, floating gently side to side. Above the clouds and stars so high, panda friends waved from the sky. Tommy opened a golden door, found inventions by the score. Glowing toys and crystals bright filled the room with magic light. Balloons floated through the blue. Pandas marched with friends so new. Toy cars rolled and sparkles flew. A rainbow parade came into view. A rainbow parade came into view. Tommy found a garden sweet, where panda friends and flowers meet. Clouds were soft and skies were clear. Magic plants grew year by year. Tommy sailed the panda ship through the clouds on a joyful trip. Rainbow skies and stars above filled a journey full of love. Tommy smiled, his dream came true. With panda friends and